Well, we have now arrived at Dover, and we are on the White Cliffs of Dover, the famous White Cliffs of Dover, which is the symbol of England in many ways.
Leaving behind, you say, get my jacket. We're in your house.
And it's pretty cool for
Spring.
for spring, yes, for April, late April, which is supposed traditional, so it adds to the tradition, doesn't it? Yeah. But we are now on the way tomorrow over to, well, where are we going tomorrow?
Well, teman-teman, besok kami akan berangkat ke Amsterdam ya, atau kita bilang ke Belanda ya. Dan saat sekarang ini kami tengah berada di White Cliff Dover, yaitu tempat penyeberangan ferry ya yang akan membawa kami besok ke Belanda ya. Kalian pasti tertarik kan untuk bisa melihat, dan kami akan sharekan kepada kalian. Karena untuk pergi ke Belanda kita bisa pakai ferry penyeberangan yang hanya memakan sekitar 1,5 jam.
Well, from here across to Calais, it's about 1.5 hours.
Yeah.
The crossing.
Iya, karena kami akan menyeberang sampai ke Calais, yaitu di Perancis ya, untuk 1,5 jam. Lalu kami menyetir membawa mobil mungkin hanya sekitar 4 jam aja dari Calais ke Belanda, ya kan? Oke teman-teman, silahkan ikuti terus perjalanan kami di The Adventure of Vina.
It looks like I don't have a choice when you look so pretty, pretty boy. I'll stay up.
There is a ship just going out of port at Dover. It is a very busy ferry port. I would imagine there are perhaps 30 or 40 ships crossing the channel every single day, ferries across to France, which by ferry boat is around 1.5 hours. The port of Dover here, and out there across the channel you can't see it, but on clear days you can, and that is France over there, only an hour and a half away on the ferry. And so it is fascinating, although it is pretty cold.
Yes.
Now we can see the marvellous spectacular sea. As I said before, it is pretty cool, and it's not quite as good as it was a few days ago, but it is splendid, the sea, and it looks absolutely vast. But this is the closest point to France. France is only an hour and a half across there. It's about 22 miles, 21 miles across there. At the moment you can't see it because it's too cloudy, I suppose, too much haze and so on, but it is very, very nice.
So teman-teman, seperti kalian bisa lihat ya, di belakang saya adalah lighthouse ya. Itu berguna untuk mengkontrol ya dari kapal-kapal yang datang dari sebelah sana ya. Mereka datang tuh dari Calais ya, dari Prancis, yang hanya jaraknya cuma 1,5 jam saja dari sini. Dan saya sangat excited banget karena besok kami akan berangkat menyeberang ke sana. Dan seperti kalian tahu ya teman-teman, kalau kita pergi ke Prancis ya, kita ada banyak cara ya, 2 sih. Satu naik kapal terbang dan satu dengan ferry. Kami lebih menyukai lewat ferry karena bisa membawa luggage yang sangat banyak sekali. So teman-teman, kita jalan terus dan kami akan jalan mendekati lighthouse, dan kalian bisa lihat nanti ya. Okay.
This is South Foreland Lighthouse, right next to the famous Straits of Dover, and right above is a weather vane, point directly showing the wind is from the east. Well, we have really enjoyed our trip to the South Foreland Lighthouse and a trip along the White Cliffs of Dover. It is rather cool, it's a bit cold, but it's not the best of days, but it's been really enjoyable, and I suppose it's a good introduction to England because England is generally cold.
Yes, prove it right. So teman-teman ya, terima kasih untuk kalian yang sudah menonton dan setia bersama The Adventure of Vina and Tim. Kali ini video kami sangat pendek sekali, hanya memperkenalkan kepada kalian saja yang mungkin belum pernah ke England dan dari England menuju ke Prancis ya. Dan teman-teman terima kasih untuk like-nya, untuk subscribe-nya juga, dan untuk kamu yang baru menemukan channel kami boleh juga untuk kalian untuk subscribe. Oke, sampai jumpa di Belanda nanti ya. Take care.
See you soon.
Look in your